Okay, what we've got here is an eduction setup from the mother hive. Into a display hive. So the original entrance is there. Basically put the connector all the way through, going into the new hive. I've got the bees moving in and out. There's a couple of princess cells in there. And their new exit. This case here normally has this on it, so it's nice and dark inside. Like so. And then we have a lid for that one too. So there's the mother hive, the eduction hive, and even though these are clear tubes, I've used duct tape to black them off so they can move through freely. Hope you like it.